I look, I don't even have the right words. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren and welcome back to another video. Oh my god, my septum just touched my upper lip and it felt like a booger and I was like, ooh, oh god, it tangles. I'm not entirely sure how to properly intro this video because of the way that I look right now, but by the title you can see that we're doing e-girl DIYs and a transformation. Here's the end result, and we're gonna go through some DIY jewelry, a DIY wig, and then the whole outfit and makeup look for this transformation. I am kind of like thriving right now and low-key kind of miss my old like MySpace emo stage. I'll insert photos here and here. Enjoy those because you will never see those again. I cannot believe that my facial recognition just recognized me. That is impressive and also a little like concerning. Anyways, I figured that we should do an urban dictionary of e-girl just to, you know, maybe you don't know. I didn't know until yesterday. So an e-girl is a species of emo usually found on TikTok, but commonly spends time on Tumblr. Can be found wearing pink eyeshadow with a large wing, little hearts under the eyes, a blushed nose. I forgot the blushed nose. Normally wearing some type of shirt from Urban Outfitters over a long sleeve striped shirt, commonly found doing the me dance, but has probably never seen it before. The me dance. I obviously did not do my e-girl research enough. That's it. Hope you enjoy it. Let's do it. Okay, so e-girls, because obviously I'm a professional e-girl. I'm an e-girl stalker is what I am. Okay, so e-girls love their silver jewelry, and personally I'm a gold girl, and for the transformation I'm definitely gonna have to remove like all of my girly like gold and like fun colorful bracelets, but I'm gonna DIY some necklaces. It's like super heavy chains. Like I got this one, but this one might be a little too heavy. Like this looks like something that like The Rock would use in a workout. So this may be a little too intense. I ordered this one on Amazon, which is cute. And then like locks are a thing. So this is like an actual lock that comes with keys. So I'm gonna hook this onto one of the chains. I've got some really cute skull charms. Honestly, I kind of just feel like my MySpace emo stage is coming back and I'm here for it. And we're gonna DIY some jewelry to go with it. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one for the lock, and I just have like big jump rings and then little clasps to go along with it. E-girl AF. Okay, here we go. This skull one actually turned out really cute. Something about this one makes me uncomfortable. I think it's the leather. Wow. Oh my god. Oh god. E-girl AF. Things e-girls don't say. Oh, how did I get here? Okay, let's do the wig. Okay. Literally, what am I doing? Like, how did I get here? Anyway, okay, next up is the wig, and this is actually like a bomb wig. I just got this from Amazon for like 20 bucks, and I got some temporary like 1-day colored hairspray. I feel like the most common hairstyle I've seen on the e-girl girl is like a split situation, like just literally like very Harley Quinn style, like half pink, half blue, or like very pastel-y colors. My options for colors were like a little bit limited, but since we're doing pink makeup, I thought pink would be good, and a little bit of pastel blue. So I'm gonna just like split this wig right down the middle. We'll do some like barrettes, keeping it to the side, and I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know. Okay, here we go. My hair, and I'm very nervous. Oh god, okay. Ah! empty. Okay, so I suck at makeup. Like I literally have no idea what I'm doing. It's like one thing to like slap some browns and golds on your eyelid and call it a day, but using bright colors is genuinely the scariest thing in my little small DIY world where I only work with glue guns and scissors. And like, I've got good stuff. Like this is the Morphe and James Charles palette. I've got his whole brush set. I've got a ColourPop and Zoella one here. I've got Manny's new Lunar Beauty Strawberry Dream palette. I've got some Urban Decay. Like my tools are good. It's me, I'm the problem here. So anyways, to match the pink wig, I'm gonna do like this neon pink with maybe a little bit of this one as like my main pop. I don't have a plan. I didn't watch any tutorials because I don't know. Why didn't I watch any tutorials? Anyway, that's the plan. We'll see how it turns out. The thing is that I can usually do one eye okay, and then the second eye is just like, so we'll see how this goes. Wish me luck. Wait, also, we have to draw black hearts on our face in eyeliner, so that's another terrifying element of the e-girl makeup look. But you know, I'm going all out today, so we're gonna give it our best shot, and please don't judge me for all of my brush choices because I genuinely don't know what I'm doing, again, as I repeat. So we're just gonna get started. Guys, this is a very tame nothing look right now. It's like, oh, I sprinkled a little bit of like plum coloring on my eyelids, like, ooh, scary. So this is scary, and everything's just, okay. Oh my god, here we go. Oh my god, what am I doing? I don't think I got punched. This is why I stick to DIY. Guys, I feel like we have had a minor miraculous recovery here. I learned from Adeline, I learned to do a cut crease, and I feel like anytime I'm struggling, I just make it into a cut crease and it turns out 1,000 times better. We ain't done, so it could still go wrong, but it's not the worst thing I've ever put on my face. Guys, normally I would do my eyeliner next, but I'm just scared because it has to be such a thick wing, and I just, doing a big wing is really scary. But honestly, eyes not bad. I'm sure like once I look back on camera, I'm gonna be like, oh, that was bad. But, you know, we ain't a beauty guru. Okay, here we go. I don't know what to do with myself.
Are you nervous or something?
Eyeliner can go so wrong. You know what, actually, I think I should put my fake septum in to make me feel more e-girl. It'll give me strength to make really good hearts on my face. Wow, we got options. Whoa, these are like really ornate. These feel like a lot. This feels very large. Like this feels like very large to have on my face, right? Like that is large and in charge. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh my god, I hate this, I hate this, I hate this. Also, it just feels like you have a permanent booger. I hate this. I don't know if I can do this part. Maybe there's something smaller that we could do. Maybe this is an after thing. I thought that it was a now thing, but I don't know if it's a now thing. Oh, my mom is gonna hate this. She hated when I had my nose piercing. This is like a step up from a regular nose piercing. I don't know. Maybe once I have the hair and stuff, this won't feel like such a big part of my face, but right now it feels a little intense. Okay, let's put some eyeliner hearts on my face. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. I feel like the gangstas have tears and the e-girls have hearts. Not bad. Not bad at all. What is that? It's like a seagull on my face. gonna get, and I think it's time we put everything together. Oh my gosh, I like have somewhere to be tonight, and I'm like, okay, so do we just like try and take all of it off? Do I just try and like make the eyeshadow work for today, just take the hearts off, or do I just go with the whole thing? I don't think the answer is go with the whole thing, but we'll see. Ah, that's crazy! Okay, so you can't see the bottom half, but I've got my fishnets on, some distressed jeans, like high-waisted, mom style. We're gonna accessory up, and we almost there. Feeling hardcore and not really able to breathe. It's fine though. I feel like I'm looking like just more emo than anything right now. Like maybe I just need the wig on, but like I also have these glasses, and I've got like a clip that says feelings because e-girls I think have a lot of feelings. I'm feeling very punky, but everyone had like these striped shirts underneath, so it's like I don't know where I went wrong here. Well, let's continue. So I love you guys, but I don't think I need my wig capped self to be on the internet, so we're gonna cut real quick. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no, my hands are already blue. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, yeah, we definitely need pins because you can't see my hearts, and I spent way too much time on those hearts to not show those. I actually kind of like that the wig turned out not fully colored, like with a little bit of the silvery blonde still showing. Ooh, this hair is crunchy though from all this spray. Holy crap. Wow, hands are blue. Great, okay. Okay, we have feelings. Ooh, that's actually cute. Oh my god. This is so much hair. I don't know what to do with myself. Wow. Okay, so I also have this really scary belt. I genuinely, oh, hang on, that wasn't that complicated. I thought it was gonna be much more complicated than that. Oh, also, this isn't now, hey. I don't know how anyone with hair this long functions. I can't even see anything happening down there. I also just wanna make a disclaimer that I'm so sorry if I'm offending the community of actual e-girls. I think it's actually such a cool, like, thing. And it reminds me of my emo stage when I had MySpace, and MySpace was like a thing. It was like before Tumblr, before Facebook. What do I do with this? Also, where do all these go? Oh, you're supposed to keep your wallet safe with this, right?
Nipple ring.
It's not, I don't think that's a nipple ring. Also, I don't have that piercing to attach anything to. Oh my god. Oh. Ah! Maybe we just cut it? This is like a lot of excess. Let's go put some shoes on and go outside. Oh my god. Sometimes I feel like when people have like less makeup and stuff on, they have these glasses, but this is just like every accessory in the entire world, and I don't know if I need another one, but they're kind of cute. It's just a lot. It's all a lot. I'm wearing every accessory you could possibly wear, but at least I have feelings. Enjoyed these DIYs and this transformation. I did a Visco girl transformation because like I just apparently don't want to be me anymore. I had like a Visco girl day, I had an e-girl day. Everything on my face hurts, like the septum, the glasses, the wig, the clips, everything is giving me a headache, and I cannot wait to take these fishnets off. But I hope you guys enjoyed this transformation. I'll have a link to the Visco girl transformation video, and if there's like someone else that I'm missing in the world of the internet, which there probably are, please let me know because I'm having so much fun doing this. And if you haven't seen last Wednesday's weekly vlog, I'll have a link for that in the down bar below. You can shop LAURDIY merch on shop.laurDIY.com, and I will see you guys on Wednesday for a weekly vlog on Sunday Fun at the Sunday Hour. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running